before and after and a dry blasting versus wet blasting video. It's only going to be a couple of minutes long, so stick around to the end. G'day world and welcome back to the channel, and for those of you that are new here, I'm Craig and this is Bendigo Hydroblasting. Been a bit quiet on the video front the last week or so, done myself a mischief fishing. I cut the webbing in my finger, had some stitches and bandages and all that sort of stuff. But we've taken all that off now and we're going to get back into some blasting, and I'm going to take you guys with me. It's going to be a quick video today. I'm not going to bore you with all the inside cabinet stuff. What I plan to do is I've got 3 wheels from a Ford Escort. I've done the other one previously for the owner and he wants the rest done. So what we are going to do is I'm going to do a before and after and a dry blasting versus wet blasting video. It's only going to be a couple of minutes long, so stick around to the end and see the end result. What I'm going to show you is I'll show you the wheels now. I'm going to dry blast one, I'm going to dry blast and wet blast the other, and then I'm going to put them both alongside one that is in original condition, and we'll just do a comparison of the lot. So anyhow, I'll give you a look at the wheels and then we'll make a start on them. Well, here's a look at what we've got. These are the wheels, 3 of. If you're watching Dale, that's coffee in there, not something stronger as you suggested previously. Anyway, there's the inside of the wheels. They're not real flashy in there, are they? But we'll do something about that. As you can see from these wheels, painted in the middle, that really needs dry blasting out of there, so we just dry blast the whole wheel. We'll also get rid of the rubber marks that are left on the rim around here so that you won't see that. That'll be nice and clean. Anyway, let's go about our business and see if we can start cleaning these up. I'll give you a look at one in a minute when it's been dry blasted. And as promised, I'm not going to bore you with all this inside stuff, so that's the last you're going to see of the inside of the dry blasting cabinet. Well, there's the first wheel out of the dry blasting cabinet. As you can see, all the paint's gone, all the road grime and stuff that was on it. Very dull surface, but we'll bring that back with the wet blaster. Have a look at the other side. So that's the inside. That's nice and clean in there compared to what it was. If we spin that one over and have a look at that, you can see the difference there. By cleaning the inside of this and getting rid of all the road grime in the dry blaster, stops the water in my wet blaster turning black and yucky. So it always pays to do this, and it gives you a nice clean finish when you're looking through from the outside. Anyhow, enough of this one. What I'll do is I'll dry blast this one and wet blast this one and pop it alongside the other one, and then we'll have a look at all 3 together in the various stages. And there we have the wheels lined up like Larry, Curly and Mo. That's the one that we haven't touched yet with the paint and the road grime on it. That's the one that we've dry blasted, and that there is the one that we've just hydroblasted. We finished that wheel. Have a look at that. Oh. Right, I'll spin them over and we'll just have another look at the underside. Yucky dirty. That's yucky clean. That one's 10 out of 10. That's awesome. There's no 6 out of 10 good effort Craig on that one. Anyway, I'll finish blasting these wheels and give you a look at the 3 of them all completed. And there we have it, folks. Get a look at that lot. Between 40 and 45 minutes in each of those wheels, so it's well worth doing. Not worth sitting at home with a toothbrush and spending 3 days with polish. Bring them to me. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you got something from that. If you're sitting at home bored, check out one of those videos up there. And don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button, always helps the old blaster feel good. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and bye for now.